Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm starting this vlog. Today's Tuesday. I think it's first time since this vlogtober started that I don't fully have anything already uploaded. Need to come back and edit. I do have 2 videos that I need to edit. Just finishing up my porridge. My daughter made for me porridge, guys, in Fundisila shame. Yes, like it's not the way I want it, but I mean, like I'm proud. Yeah. Sometimes it comes out perfect, sometimes not. But she made for me porridge. Yeah, today is a bit on the thicker side, but it's still tasty, still okay. I appreciate that she made for me food. During school holiday, she makes for me breakfast anyway. Weekends also, she is in the kitchen. Yeah. So I'm happy, thank God for giving me a daughter first, because now some other things I can rest. I can rest. She's my what they call she's my right hand. She's my right hand lady. Yeah. What I can't do, she takes over and do it. Only this mama is too much of a perfectionist, and I hate that for myself sometimes. Anyway, guys, just quickly, just watching Diana here. I'm actually replying to the comments, not 100% watching her, as I don't have enough time. I'm quickly just trying to answer the comments, then I'll be going out, like just run some errands in town, and that will be a vlog. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna vlog today, but I will be uploading. Okay, this, let me answer other people so long, because the sister have to like read and comment nicely. But I will be what do you call this? Yeah, but I will be uploading my cleaning video. I did a cleaning. It's a lotto. What are you doing with Granny's books? This is Granny's books. My mother liked to play lotto, guys. She believed that I'm lucky. I don't know how she believed that I'm lucky, but I don't think I'm lucky. So she always begging me to play lottos for her, but I never do, because it's haram to play lotto. I tell her, whatever is written in your life, it will happen. That's what my belief is. Like, yeah, but yeah, she believed that so much that I'm lucky. Anyway, guys, go put Granny's book nicely. Can I please pass? I need to take something from this room. Oh, Can I take something, my babaki? Hmm? Okay, guys, I'm going to drop my husband's lunch. Then we're going to the shops after that. Oh my God, thank God. Thank you, God. This is beautiful. It's 120. This is also 100 pounds. So guys, I especially went to Pep to buy candle stand, the one you saw me picking up. I've been wanting one, like I saw it last time, but I didn't have any money. So this time I like really went for that to Pep. Yeah, so but did you guys see it's like peeling out and that? So I had these glass stands before, but all of them have broken. And you know how they break? We put a candle there and then maybe we forget about the candle up until it finishes. So the heat, once it reaches the glass, then it breaks the glass. So I'm no longer gonna buy those ones because that means, you know, it's not safe, especially if we're gonna forget and leave them the whole night. Yeah, so hence I'm just checking for candle stands that are actually still. Yeah, anyway guys, I did get a discount. It was 130 because of the peeling. I said, you know what, I'll take it, then I'll just buy a spray paint and paint it. Yeah guys, anyway guys, I don't think I'll be coming to talk more of the in this video. I don't remember talking again in this video. I'm just after here I'm just going to go to Foshini. I wanted to do something here, but then there was load shedding actually. Yeah, so I'm just quickly just showing you guys what I saw, and I did see one thing that I like. Maybe I will come back tomorrow and buy it because it was 125 and I already have a voucher of 50 rand. So I'm like, you know what, I need that vase. Yeah, so I'll go back and buy it. Now I'm just driving around the town, going to another side of the town. I was going to Checkers Center, actually going to Foshini. I had bought a hat, very bright hat, this yellow, pink color, but I was like, oh my god, for my complexion I don't think I will love it. Like I will wear it, but not as often as I would want to be for the money that I paid for. So I decided, you know what, let me go return it. And they were telling me they don't take back accessories. I was like, huh? Is it written on the slip that you guys don't take back? I didn't know hat was an accessory. I was like, I completely like played dumb. I was like, guys, I didn't wear the hat and I can't be having this hat. I don't like it anymore. And I'm such a difficult customer, guys. I don't want to lie. I am such a difficult customer. So last time I also returned something that I was not supposed to return. It was a perfume. You see those bags that goes with a perfume? Got it as a gift. I won't say from who, but someone very close. And it was a similar thing they have bought for me the previous year. I was like, okay, perfume, if it's alone I can keep, but the bag is the same as the bag I'm having already. So I cannot, I know maybe they were thinking about gifting me a perfume, but for the fact that it came with the same bag, then I'm like, no. And I still have that perfume. I do buy a lot of perfumes just to use different of them, and I just like to decorate with them. So I was like, I feel like that's a waste now. I know that can be cold sometimes, but I cannot have two bags, like same color, If it's different color, it's a different story. Same 2 bags, same color. So I was like, no, I'm returning this and I'm gonna try and get something else. And when I got to the shop, so now when I'm just trying to say that when I return the hat, they already know that this one is just difficult. We're just not gonna argue with them so long. We just gonna, let's just give in and just help. Yeah, so I also went to that time with a bag, and the lady was like, no, we don't take this back. I was like, can I please talk to your manager? And I got it back, and luckily the lady was actually very nice. The manager didn't even give me stress because everything is sealed, everything still looks brand new, and it was bought the previous day. So yeah, guys, yeah, I'm very difficult. Like, I know myself, I am. Anyway, it is what it is. As I grow up, I do try to, lessen it up sometimes, but like, I'm straight up front and I fight for what I want. Yeah, the bad thing is that I do get my way the majority of the time. That's just my nature sometimes. Anyway, guys, I was finished in town, so I was going back home to cook. Okay, guys, let me just say my bye-byes here, but the video is still gonna carry on. See you on the next upload. Bye-bye. Finally home, guys. I'm going to cook now. I'm just gonna show you guys a bit. What is this, mommy? This is a ring light.
A ring light? Yeah, I can see a rainbow.
Yeah, you will see a rainbow. Oh my god, I don't even know where to start with this.
Yeah, mommy.
But I need to go cook right now, and my ring light is not.
Mommy,
wait, Baba, please don't.
And we need the bus.
Let Mama do this. So this one is straight now.
Yes. I keep doing it.
And then
Yes.
is this one right? How it's supposed to? Moving up. Moving up.
We need to open it. This is up. Jaja.
No.
so important to him. Inspire us to reach new heights. Or maybe if they finish it in the case of trying to impress me, then I'll just let it in my water. And that's gonna be my morning water. But normally when I don't have this, I just do lemon water. Immediately after taking a shower, I tried to wake Milani up. If you guys have watched any of my previous videos, you will know that Milani is not a morning person. So I tried to do everything for her before I wake her up. So I just pour some water for her to start bathing, and I go do the dreadful thing, which is to wake her up.
You want to go now? You love Papi.